Hi, welcome to the testing world. In this session, we are going to cover working with Jira. The agenda of this session is to report a bug in Jira. Jira is a bug reporting tool, or I can say bug tracking tool. It not only supports bug reporting, but also we can use it for task management. It also supports agile methodology. So different tasks we are going to perform in agile can be used or can be managed in Jira. This is my Jira URL. As of now, I set up Jira on my local system. Your organization will give you Jira access. So first, we need to enter username and password. As I logged into the Jira, we are going to get first screen. This first screen is called dashboard. To report a bug in Jira, we have this create button. I'm clicking on this and new form will open. Here we need to select the project on which I'm working. By default it's selected flight management. I'm working on this project. Now I'm going to select the bug. I'm going to report a new bug to Jira. We need to provide the summary of the bug. So like I'm taking an example, I'm not able to send email from the Gmail. So I enter summary like not able to send email from Gmail account. We need to decide the priority of my bug. So I'm giving it blocker because my functionality is completely blocked. If we are getting this issue on a particular environment, like if I'm getting this issue only in the Firefox or Chrome, so if it is coming on a particular environment or the operating system, we can set the environment over here. So I'm taking the example in which I'm getting this issue on the Firefox only. So I just mentioned Firefox version 35.1. I'm going to enter complete details. While testing email functionality of application, I entered 2CC, BCC and subject. As I click on send button, I'm getting error message cannot be sent. This is the description. I have given very small description. In description, we need to define the complete details about the issue or the bug. Moving to the next section, one of the most important sections that we need to mention is the steps to reproduce. If somebody want to recreate this issue, these steps need to be followed. Step 1, go to login page. Step 2, enter correct credentials. After login, click on compose button. On email compose page, enter 2CC, BCC and subject. Click on send button. Now here expected result is email should send successfully, but in actual we are getting some errors. So I copy this error. I'm getting message cannot be sent error. So I have entered description with steps to reproduce. Whenever we are getting some error, so we need to take the screenshot of that, and here we can attach the screenshot. So choose file. I'm going over here, and whatever the snapshot that you want to attach like this, I have added it, and then now click on the create button. As we click on the create button, a bug is reported to Jira, and that is the number of my bug. So I'm searching this issue FLIG-2. We can search it from here, and so we have searched a particular issue which is FLIG-2, and here we can see the complete details about the issue that we have logged. I'm going to do formatting of this issue. So for formatting, I'm moving to the presentation, and here in the presentation we have the different kind of format that we can set. First formatting is strong, or we can call it bold. To bold any text, we can place star in front and the end. I'm moving to here, edit my issue. I want to make this text bold, so I set star in front and star in end. As I click on the right, and here you can see the text converted to the bold. Here is the edit button. I'm going here. If you want to change the color of the text, then I'm coming here. I want to set it to red. So color, I've gone red, and in the end, it's color. So it's quite similar to the XML in which we are giving the starting tag and end tag. I made the changes, click on right button, and here we can see the text color is changed. So two things that we have seen, it's bold and change the color of the text. Sometimes we want to display some text in a quoting format. So what is the quoting format is like, I'm coming here and I want to display this in the quoting format. So I'm coming here, mention quote in front and end. Just click on submit button. So here we can see this is the quoting format. Sometimes you want to display something in the heading. It's like a heading format, and after that we will cover the deleted. So I'm coming here. So here I want to display details in heading format. So I mention text details h1 dot. As I click on submit button or right button, here we can see it display in the heading. Moving to the deleted text, like you want to delete something, and on the place of like I don't want to display this BCC over here, or I want to delete the text. So I'm coming here, and to delete any text, just to mention hyphen at the start and the end. As I click on the right button, here you can see the BCC is coming in strike. So these are the basic formatting we have done. Moving to the next slide, here we have few more formatting. Here, if I want to display this in a number format, as of now I have entered number by myself, but if you have written this kind of text and you want to display in the form of list, so we can go over here, we can either place star in front of all So that means you want to display in a listing format. Star space, click on right button. So here we can see all the steps displayed in the listing format. I want to display number in front of these lines. So just mention hash, which shows the number. So all the items will be displayed in the form of numbers. Just yes. So we are getting numbers. Sometimes you need to go for sublisting. Sublisting means a list inside a list. Like hash this. After login, click on the compose button or click on V button. So if you want to give some sub list inside a list, we can use number and then star. So I click on right. Here we can see we are getting the sub list. Moving to the presentation again. So we have covered these numbers, we have covered list. Moving to few more important formatting. So sometimes we want to display horizontal line. To display the horizontal line, we just need to mention 4 hyphen. As I click on right button, so you'll see we are getting a horizontal line over here. Moving to the next part, in which we want to create some table. We want to display data in the tabular format. So I'm coming here and I want to display a table over here. So header is given by double pipe. So name, or I can say what all the username that I'm using. So username, then I'm coming to password. So this is the header I have created of a table. Then first username that I'm using, uname1. First password that I'm using is a pass1. Second username I'm using uname2 pass2, and just click on right button. So here we can check a table is. Now we have seen basic features that we can use while reporting any issue or bug. I'm moving to a complete workflow. So as a tester, I have reported a bug. Now this bug should go to the developer and developer should fix that. So I'm logging out from the tester account. I'm logging by team lead of the developer team. So TW dev lead. This is the account that I have created on my local system. Once logged in, so we can search the issue over here, FLIG2. I'll search this issue here. This issue is reported by TW tester, but it is not assigned to anyone. I want to EW developer. I selected this, right. So this issue is assigned to developer. We can select the name of any of the developer who is working in this team. I logged out from here and moving to the developer account. So EW developer, the username and password that I have given. I'm logging. Here, developer can see a issue or a bug is assigned to him to fix. I click on this. Here, developer is going to the details of the issue. Developer can go to the attachment that tester has given. So click on the attachment and you will get that attachment. Now as a developer, I'm starting to work on that. So start progress. Now I am working on my application. I'm changing the code, I'm changing the configuration, whatever required to fix this issue. So once I'll complete this issue, we can assign it to the tester. So I have assigning it to the tester, DW tester, that I have performed my work, and if I want to do some comments like this fixed 16. So I made the comment application. As a developer, we are going to get a fixed button. Once we click on the fixed, the status will be fixed over here. Logging out from here and logging again as a tester. So once developer fix this issue is assigned to the tester. As a tester, I'm going over here. I'm reading the comment of developer. I'm checking that issue on my application on the build 16 because we got fixes on the build 16. So I'm testing it again. I'm doing the retest on the issue is fixed. We will mark it done. So status of the issue is done. So it is a complete flow that we are going to perform in real-time working. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to know more about us, you can go to www